Hi, I'm Jane with The Saving Secret, where I help you become more intentional with your money. In today's video, it's going to be a follow-up to my video that I did last week, where I decided to buy Rocket Mortgage stock specifically for the dividend. I'll talk through kind of what happened to the stock price and where it is in my specific situation. And was this a good investment? Was it a bad investment? Would I do it in the future? I'll go through all those details, so stay tuned. All right, so again, last week I decided to buy Rocket Mortgage stock. Again, I've had a good experience with them. I refinanced my mortgage with them. They are the leader in new mortgages as well as refinances. They're huge in the game. They also do a lot of different other things. But so here's a little bit about the stock, and I kind of broke it out by day. So this is again with Fidelity. I'm a big fan of. I did buy my particular shares through my brokerage account with Fidelity. And so looking at Fidelity, some of their tools and resources. So here it was. Right now, today on the 10th, it's $11.85 before the market opens. We'll see how it moves. But on the 25th, you can see that it was down here. It was a little bit below $11.50 here on the low, the high. Then it kind of creeped up as people were trying to take advantage of that dividend. It kind of went up. I bought it at exactly $13 a share. It continued to go up, continued to go up, continued to go up. And then, of course, it went down because if you look down here, the ex-dividend date was 3/7. So that's when people start to sell off. And, of course, then it dropped a low there, continued to drop. And then yesterday, it just started to creep back up. So for my specific example, buying the shares at $13 a share and getting $1.01 per share, again, over a 7% return, which is great. Now, if I was to sell my shares, I would lose money. I would basically just barely be under broke even. So for me, I look at this as kind of like my savings. Just leave it in there. I don't really need access to this money. So I'm leaving it there. But what I am doing is I have a sale in the system so that it will automatically trigger a sale price if the stock reaches $14.25. So that's open for 180 days. But right now, that's where I'm leaving my money. I think it was a great experiment for myself. Yes, I don't need necessarily the money that I invested in the stock right away. I don't anticipate it to go to zero anytime soon. I do anticipate that it might not reach that $14.25 anytime soon. But again, I have the ability to sell it at any price at any time. But I'm going to kind of wait and see what the future holds on that. But again, my dividend will pay out on the 22nd. So I'm looking forward to that. So overall, I think this was a success. Again, capitalizing on dividend stock. Again, I believe in the stock. There's a lot of question marks that some of the investors have. I am not a professional investor. I am just a guy on YouTube who loves looking at ways to be intentional with your money, and I use Fidelity to all their free tools to navigate. So if you think this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Did you buy Rocket Mortgage? Did you think it was worth it? Do you think I made the right choice or wrong choice? Are there other different stocks that you're interested in? And there are other questions that you have for Fidelity. But thank you so much for watching. I've got some other videos you're welcome to take a look at. Thank you so much, and have a great day.